Is that how we actually met, or is that just where we hung out?
No, we met in Bariloche actually.
And Juan, from España.
Hola.
This is how you do it, drinking in the middle of a work week. This is his lunch break. This is how you do it in Spain.
Yeah, only one beer.
Buenos dias a todos. It is Friday, 7th of December, and we wake up on a beautiful cold morning here in Madrid. So just going for a morning stroll. Our flight back to Sydney is on Sunday in 2 days, and that means for me to get on a plane I need to do a PCR test and pray for the best that I am a negative. So I booked a PCR test with Democrates, and they've got a clinic just up the road. Just getting a bit of exercise, stretching out the legs a little bit. Got to walk 1.5 kilometers. So as you could probably tell, I'm still kind of hobbling around quite a little bit. My leg hasn't fully recovered yet. Still walking kind of funny. The ball of my heel still a bit swollen, and my ankle still hasn't got that full rotation. So yeah, I don't know, it's been a while now. It's like the 6th day of recovery, and it still feels like this. Just imagine you're like walking on high heels or something, and don't lie, we've all tried walking in high heels before. So yeah, that's kind of what it feels like, trying to walk on your toes. So very, very annoying. You're not gonna get any better than this for magnets in Madrid. All the magnets you could possibly imagine. We got this one for España. Oh, this one looks pretty cool. PCR a las 12:04.
Okay, your name?
George. Alright, that is the COVID test done. We are praying to the COVID gods that I am negative, because for whatever reason, if I am positive, that is just gonna screw everything. I am not gonna be able to get home, and I don't even want to think about all the shit that I have to do, you know, in the case that I am positive. So let's not think about it. But anyway, through this whole trip, never felt sick, never felt any signs of anything. At any point did I never feel like I had it. The only time I was sick is after I climbed mozzies for a little bit of a cough, and you know, anyone would be sick after doing that for 2 days out in the cold. I did the test with Democrates. Eurofins is also a very popular one around Spain. But yeah, they're a lot more expensive. What I paid for this test was only 60 euros, whereas Eurofins can go up to 110 euros. I should get the test by tomorrow afternoon. Hoping for the best. Fingers crossed there are no problems.
Hey!
There
how you doing, man? How's everything going?
Good to see you.
I was like over there, and I was like, where the fuck is she?
Oh, were you looking for a time?
No, just like a couple of minutes. Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, good man, good. Alright guys, so it is my last day here in Madrid, and what better way to spend it than catching up with my good old friend Juan.
Hey guys, how you doing?
We met in Bariloche.
Yeah.
Is that how we actually met, or is that just where we hung out?
No, we met in Bariloche actually.
Yeah.
And we hanged out over there. And we did a pretty sick hike around Bariloche. I don't know where we went. We went to Refugio Frey.
And Juan, from España.
Hola.
Oh,
yeah.
This guy's got good memory, Refugio Frey.
Yeah.
I totally remember the look and going up like the snow and in the Refugio, and we were eating, and the only reason I remember because I vlogged it. I remember everything that I vlog. If I don't vlog it, I don't remember.
Okay.
You guys went fast. I was just like, but yeah, that was like windy, but it was a cool place.
It was really cool. It was really nice. It was so cold up there, and it had a lot of snow.
I don't think it compares how cold it is in Madrid or Mozzies.
It's so cold now. So cold.
But before that hike, like, do you remember the point that we actually met? Like, was it in the hostel?
It was in the hostel, I think. I met Juliana.
Yeah, because we went with her and hike.
I met her in the 2 hostels previously.
Ah, okay, yeah.
And she told me like, I'm in this hostel, a lot of nice people are here, and this is where I met you. I met you, Lydia, and Juliana.
Because I was already traveling with Lydia.
I think you were traveling with Lydia.
Ah, yeah, so it was in that hostel. And guess who I'm here with in Argentina? Lydia! Yeah, but there you go, all the way from the south of Argentina and now in Juan's hometown here in Madrid. How awesome is that? So yeah, Juan's been like super helpful, like even before I got here, just giving me all the tips and tricks and what to do, and you know, like finding out which places to go. So public transport, which areas to hit with my limited time here. So yeah, been super helpful. So yeah, it's good to have a friend here in Madrid, and thanks for helping me out. The story of the tapas, because that's something I didn't know.
Okay, so tapas, Spain was a little bit different before. Like it had this humidity and there was a lot of bugs and a lot of mosquitoes around. So what they did is they literally, for your beer to not be spoiled, they put a plate, like a little lid on it, and it's called tapa, that in Spain. And what happened is that it get common and all the places started to do it, and the better places started to differentiate themselves from other places by putting a little bit of food. And that got like all over this place in Spain, and like now you get the tapa and you don't need to put any lid on top of your beer, but you get the tapa, which is free food now.
And apparently if you're paying for your tapas, you're doing it wrong.
Yeah.
I think everyone's been paying for their tapas. I don't really like drink beer. This is probably the first time I've had beer in like a week, and especially during the day as well. So, but yeah, like
they can put you tapa with other things. Like you can ask for wine, or you can ask for like anything else. They will put you a tapa also.
Yeah.
But beers and tapa is the common thing we do here, like in Spain.
And then now we are at Peras 39. All right, let's get this started. Cheers.
Cheers.
This is how you do it, drinking in the middle of a work week. This is his lunch break. This is how you do it in Spain.
Yeah. only one beer.
This is a tortilla. I've always been like confused because a tortilla in Spain is
it's an omelette.
Yeah, an omelette with potato. Yeah. I've got that now, because a tortilla to me is like the Mexican tortillas.
Yeah.
And a couple of people from the hostel as well look pretty confused. They're like, is that a tortilla? Like, why is it like so big and looks like a big omelette?
I get the same thing, but at the other side. Like when they told me about tortillas, I just always go to this, not the tortilla thing. Yeah. Okay, so this is morcilla, which is a blood sausage, and it has rice, if you can see. And it's like, it's a really poor food, but it's been made fancy during the years. Like it's something poor people ate, and now like everybody loves it, but it's not pretty fancy at it. It's just a sausage. And this is like huevos with chorizo, which is like for free tapas. We ordered some water and they gave us potatoes, chorizo, and some egg with it.
This is the kind of tapas you see it and you smell, you already know you're gonna like it.
Yeah. This is like, and this is guys for free, and then we're gonna have some aubergines or
It's good, I like it. And then another dish, we've got fried eggplant with honey. Sweet part of our meal. All right, this is it. It was really good to see you, man.
Yeah, really good.
See you, mate. Thanks for making the time. I'm really glad.
Thank you. Yeah.
Before I left Madrid, I would have been ashamed if I left it.
Yeah, it would be so bad. It would be so bad. Yeah.
All right, till next time, I'll catch you in your travels.
Yeah, 100%. See you around.
Take care. We are now on the move, very slowly. Got all my bags packed, and we are making our way out of Madrid. I don't know what's more painful, whether it's my foot or how slow I am going. It is just so painfully slow walking with these bags to the train station. Look at these seats, pretty nice, eh? Nice leather seats. Sweet. This is where we are for 2.5 hours. Ah, yes. Alright guys, we have now finally made it back into Barcelona. Alright, back to where it all began. Surprising how fast the evening goes. I had my little siesta as soon as I got on the train. Yeah, train was from 5 to 7:30, and as soon as I sat down, conked out, just passed out. And when I woke up, we were already near Barcelona, so didn't even do anything, didn't do any editing, just had a siesta nap. I knew that was coming after we had a beer and a really good meal. earlier in Madrid. So yeah, it was a little bit funny, a funny feeling when I got back to the train station. That was the first stop that I went to before we visited Mar at the start of the trip, before we explored around Catalonia. Yeah, now I knew what to do. I was going to the ticket stations, buying tickets, and know my way around. So yeah, definitely different this time around. So now we're just walking to our hostel. Should just be around the corner. We'll drop off our stuff because I've been lugging this around nearly all day, and then we will go find something to eat for tonight. So we are staying at Christopher's in Barcelona, which should just be right in front of us. Also, definitely doesn't feel as cold. Madrid apparently is the coldest city in all of Spain, so I am liking it already. Doesn't have that chilly frost feel to it, and my fingers aren't numbing up yet. Anyway, it's still pretty early, so we'll see, but yeah, definitely not as cold as Madrid. Oh man, I don't think I could say no to this Asian food. Oh my god, if it's one thing I've missed, is a good old hot bowl of noodles. I am doing this. Let's do this.
Nothing beats Asian food, I will tell you that much, no matter where you are in the world.
Alright guys, that's gonna do us for today. Felt a little bit of a crime having Japanese food here in Spain, but I couldn't help myself. Sushi and noodles, haven't had that for 3 weeks, and it just tasted so good. But anyway, we have made it to Barcelona now. We are now on the home stretch of our trip, only 2 more days to go. So yeah, we'll do a little day trip around the sites here in Barcelona tomorrow, and then on Sunday is our flight back home. So with that, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys there.